How to create images on Wordware. In order to do that, head over to the tools demonstration, which is the very bottom of your project files. Now for this one, click on this add input, and we have in here this new input that we have as well. So let me head over and edit out this new input by clicking on it right here. And then for this one, let's head over and then create an image. So for example, put in here a prompt of create an image about a dog. So we can say something like that in here if you want to. So this one right here on the input totally depends on which one you want to use. So I said something like create an image of a dog running and then click on this run option right here. Now this will create a web search with ECTA, and then in here this will return with this one, which is this laboratory retriever, and as you can see this will also create an image with stable diffusion. So while this is loading, just head over, and as you can see we have now seen in here a picture of a dog. So you can head over and then right click on it in order to successfully download this particular picture. So that's how you create images on Wordware. If we help,